'69 DeVille just showed up. Excuse me. Previous guy started, as you can see. It's down the metal. I mean, it's in really good shape as far as... That's just surface, because he never did anything with it. So it's just got surface. We're going to go back through, DA it down. But she, I don't know if you can see that fender. She's waving at you. She's a little wavy. So we'll see how this is going to turn out. But it looks like it used to be, I think, the original color. Maroon. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Big, big car. Got some real estate on this one. Love it. Love these big cars. Especially this DeVille. Cool. I'll keep it posted.